Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new AirPods 3rd generation. I pre-ordered this 10 days ago when order books opened in Malaysia. That was the 18th of November 2021. It arrived on the 24th, and today on the 28th of November 2021, I finally have time to unbox it. So, this is the box that it came in. Typical Apple box. Let's cut open the seal to see what's inside. Alright. So, here are my AirPods. Flip it out to release it. Put the box aside. And here we have my AirPods. I did get them engraved, so I think that added about a couple of days to the shipping date, but that's alright. So, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box is a picture of the AirPods themselves. On the right, as well as the left sides of the box, we have the Apple logo. On the top, it says AirPods MagSafe charging case. And on the bottom, we have the barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. And on the back, we have a description of the AirPods. And yeah, so unlike previous years where the box was covered in plastic, this year it followed the iPhone 13's style where you have two tabs to pull, and let's pull them open. Okay, open it up. Right on top, designed by Apple in California. Right in here we have AirPods. This would be sort of like a quick start guide. Safety and handling. Regulatory compliance information. This is for Thailand. And Apple 1-year limited warranty. I don't think there would be any Apple stickers, but let me just double check. Nope, no Apple stickers. So, and right here we have the AirPods. As I said, I got it engraved. I got it engraved with my name. And further inside, we have the Lightning to USB-C cable. Okay, so let's take it out of its protective plastic or wrapping, whatever you want to call it. Slide it out, put that aside. Closer look at the engraving. But yeah, it does feel quite similar to the case of the AirPods Pro, but I believe the case for the AirPods Pro is slightly wider. So yeah, let's set it up for the first time. Unlock my iPhone. Open it up. Should just pop up right there. I will update later. Announce calls and notifications, set up later, AirPods, and it's connected. Done. So let me just check settings. And yeah, it's already connected. That's the current one. The other AirPods is my old one, and Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new AirPods 3rd generation. Thanks for watching and goodbye.